Using folders is a simple way to organize your emails in Yahoo Mail. Folders help you group similar emails such as those related to work, personal matters, bills, or newsletters, keeping your inbox tidy. They also make it easier to find important emails in the future. So, in order to create folders in Yahoo Mail, you need to first go ahead and open mail.yahoo.com or open the application on your device. I'll be using the mail.yahoo.com in my browser. So go ahead and log into your account. And once you're in the home page that is displaying the inbox section, you will see the folders section in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, once you find it, tap on the plus icon, new folder option, just below the folders section, and go ahead and type a name for your new folder. You can see that the folder has been created just below the plus icon of the new folder. You can also type a name such as work, bills, or travel, and then go ahead and organize your emails according to the folder. Your new folder will now be visible on the left, and you can begin moving emails into it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.